This video will explain the difference between AI, machine learning and deep learning. What is artificial intelligence or AI? AI is the big idea. It means making computers or machines act smart, almost like humans. For example, a chess computer that can play against you. AI can include any technique that helps machine to solve problems, make decisions, or mimic human behavior. You can think of AI as an umbrella term under which other technologies like machine learning and deep learning will fit. What is machine learning? Machine learning is part of AI. Machine learning is when we teach computers to learn from data instead of giving them step by step rules. Traditional programming means write specific rules and instructions for every situation. Machine learning means feed examples and let the program learn the patterns automatically. For example, instead of writing rules to recognize spam emails, we feed a program thousands of examples of spam and non-spam emails. The program then learns the patterns and can identify the spam on its own. So machine language is AI that learns from data. What is deep learning? Deep learning is a special type of machine learning. It uses artificial neural networks to process huge amounts of data. Artificial neural networks inspired by how human brain works. Now we will see examples of deep learning. First one is face recognition. Your phone uses deep learning to identify faces in photos. Second one is voice assistants. Siri and Alexa understand speech through deep learning. Third one is self-driving cars. Detect pedestrians, traffic lights, and other vehicles. Deep learning is especially good at complex tasks like images, voice, and natural language. Now we will see simple analogy. You can imagine education. A equal to the goal, which means I want a student to be smart. Machine learning equal to the method, which means the student learns from lot of practice problems and examples. Deep learning equal to advanced method, which means the student has a super brain with many layers. So they can solve very tough problems like understanding languages or recognizing faces. Now we will see summary of differences. AI means the broad concept of making machines smart. Machine learning is a way for machines to learn from data and improve over the time. Deep learning is a powerful type of machine learning using neural networks for very advanced tasks. In short, AI is the big idea. Machine learning is the way to achieve AI, and deep learning is a deeper, more advanced way of doing machine learning.